cultivation process. So what are the stages, children? First one is, what is the first one? Yes, the first one is ploughing. So in this stage what the farmers will do? They will plough the soil with the help of ploughing machines. Yes, or with the help of the animals they will plough the field. And next one, what will happen if the field is ploughed? If the field is ploughed, the soil will get loosened. Yes, the next one is sowing of seeds. In this stage, the soil is ready for the seeds. The farmers, they will sow the plowed field. On the plowed field, they will sow the seeds. And in the third stage, what is the third stage? Yes, manuring. They will add manures to the soil for getting minerals and nutrients to grow the seeds. For getting the new plants, they will add manures or fertilizers to the soil. So what are the artificial fertilizers and what are the natural fertilizers here? You know that artificial fertilizer, if you know, means urea, it is artificial fertilizer, and also natural fertilizer means natural manure, it is cow dung. Cow dung is a natural manure. Yes. So after that irrigating. The next stage is irrigating. In this stage, the farmers, they will keep more and more water for the soil for the germination of the seeds. The soil requires more and more water for the germination of the seeds. And next stage is weeding. The farmers, they will remove the weeds in the crops so that the crop will not compete with the crop. They will not compete with the air, water and sunlight. Yes. So the next stage is harvesting. It is the last stage. In this stage, the farmers, they will cut the crop and they will sell them to the others as we are getting the food. Yes. These are the stages of cultivation, children. And now today we are going to discuss another topic. So say me, children, have you ever gone to villages? To your grandma's home, to your relatives' homes? Have you ever gone? Yes. In these villages, what type of crops have you seen in the villages? Yes, you can see paddy, sugarcane, and also wheat, maize, rice, like that pulses. You can see in the villages. Yes, these crops. So tell me one thing, children. These crops are grown all the year. Can all the year these crops are grown? So this particular crop has some particular time to grow, sow the seeds and harvest the crop. Is there any particular time? Or if this season we have to grow this, if for example, children, if paddy crop is there, in this season we have to sow the seed, and the next season we have to harvest the crop. You know that? So today we are going to discuss the types of crops. In this we are going to learn how we sow the seeds in one season and we harvest the crop in the other season. So what is the time to grow a crop? Today we are going to discuss this topic. Yes, what is our topic today, children? Types of crops. So, for example, children, tell me which crops are grown in the rainy season? Which crops are grown in the rainy season? Can you tell me? Can you tell me which crops you will grow in the rainy season? Yes. See here, children. If you take rainy season, so all type of crops will not grow in all the seasons. They need particular time to sow the seeds and they will be cutted, they will be harvested in the particular time only. They will not grow in all the seasons. Some crops have that particular time to sow the seeds and harvest the crop. Okay? So today we will see what are that particular times. So if you take rainy season, what are the crops that are grown in the rainy season? For example, paddy and sugarcane. Paddy, sugarcane. So usually this rainy season, these paddy and sugarcane July. And also they will harvest this crop. Paddy and sugarcane, they are sown in the rainy season. Most probably June and July is the rainy season, right? June and July is the rainy season. And when they will cut this crop? When they will cut this crop? Most probably in October or November months they will cut these crops. They will sow the seeds and they will harvest in October or November months. October or November months they will harvest this crops. So in this time they will sow the seeds and in this time they will harvest the crop. Okay, what are the crops that are grown in rainy season, children? So paddy and sugarcane, they are sown in the June or July months and harvested in October or November months. And if you take winter season, so some of the crops that are sown in winter season, what are the crops means? Wheat and mustard. Wheat and mustard. These are sown in the winter season. These seeds are sown in the winter season. Most probably in which months means October. They are sown in October. They are sown in October or November. And they are harvested. These seeds are sown in October or November months and they are harvested in March or April. They are harvested in March or April. So, what are the crops that are grown in winter season, children? Yes, wheat and mustard. These seeds they are sown in October or November months and they are harvested in March or April months they are harvested. So, what are the other crops that are grown in the rainy season? Can you tell me the other crops that are grown in the rainy season, children? What are the other crops? Yes, you can see groundnuts, maize, cotton and coffee. What are the crops? Groundnuts, what are the other crops, children? Groundnut, maize, cotton, and coffee. These are the other crops that are grown in the rainy season. What are the other crops, children? Groundnuts, maize, cotton and coffee. These are the other crops that are grown in the rainy season. Groundnut, maize, cotton, coffee. So not only paddy and sugarcane, groundnut, maize, cotton and coffee, these are also sown in the rainy season and they are harvested in October or November month. And what are some other crops that are grown in the winter season, children? Say me some other crops that are grown in the winter season. Yes, you can see grams, beans and pulses. What are the other crops? Grams, beans, pulses. Grams, beans and pulses, they are sown in the winter season. So these are sown in the rainy season and these are sown in the winter season. So what are the crops that are grown in the rainy season and what are the crops that are grown in the winter season? What do we call them? The crops which are growing in the rainy season. See here, children, the crops which are growing in the rainy season, they are called kharif crops. What do we call them? Kharif crops, which are grown in the rainy season. The crops which are grown in the rainy season, what do we call them? word which means atom, which means atom. So these crops are sown in the rainy season and they are harvested in the autumn season. So October and November months, which season you can see? Autumn. Okay. So have you understood? The crops which are grown in the rainy season, they are called kharif crops. And kharif means, it is a Arabic word which means atom, So these crops are sown in the rainy season and harvested in the autumn season. So what do you call the crops which are grown in the winter season, which are sown in the winter season? What do you call that crops? Rabi crops. What? Rabi crops. And this is also a Arabic word. Which means spring. This Rabi is a Arabic word which means what does the Rabi means? Yes, it means spring. So what are the crops called that are sown in the winter season? Yes, they are Rabi crops. And this Rabi is a Arabic word which means spring. So have you understood, children? These Rabi crops, they are sown in the winter season and they are harvested in the spring season. They are sown in the winter season and they are harvested in the spring season. So most probably the spring season will be in March or April. So these crops, they are called Rabi crops. So have you understood what are kharif crops and what are Rabi crops? Yes, rainy season crops are called kharif crops and winter season which crops are sown, they are called Rabi crops. Okay, children? So now have you understood what is the difference between kharif and Rabi crops? So these are the two types of crops, children. So what are the crops that are grown in kharif season? Semi, paddy, sugarcane, groundnuts, maize, cotton and coffee. These are the crops grown in kharif season. And what are the crops that are grown in Rabi season? Yes, wheat, mustard and also grams, beans, pulses. These are grown in the Rabi season. So these particular crops need particular temperature to germinate the seeds. All the conditions should be the same for germinating the seed. So see here, children, tell me one thing. Why do you think paddy or rice sown in the rainy season? So paddy and rice, why we have to sow in the rainy season? Why not we can sow in the winter season or any summer season? Why cannot we sow this paddy or rice? Why we have to sow only in the rainy season? Because children, paddy or rice is sown in the rainy season as it needs a lot of water. Paddy and rice, they need lots of water to grow. These crops. So different crops are sown in different seasons. So I have said, these different crops, they are sown in different seasons to provide them conditions which are favorable for them to germinate. So for the germination of a seed, the proper conditions are required. Different conditions are required. So they have to germinate and they have to grow in that particular type. For all the conditions are same, means the germination process will occur in a seed and the seed will germinate. Yes, like right temperature and moisture. The temperature should be and the moisture should be and the different conditions. The conditions should be the favorable to the crop to grow. So the rice and paddy require more and more water. That's why they are sown in only the rainy season. So see here, children. So we have completed our types of crops lesson. There are two types of crops. We have learned kharif crops and also Rabi crops. Yes. So kharif crops, they are usually sown in June or July month and harvested in October or November months. And also Rabi crops, they are sown in October or November and also harvested in Next, open your volume books. See here, page number 20. Okay. See here, children. Here they have given one crop calendar here. Crop calendar they have given here. You have to do this. Use the table to complete the crop calendar. The first has done. So see here, children, using this crop calendar you have to do this table. You know crop, sow, harvest. In which they will sow, in which time they will sow the seeds, and in which months they will harvest the crop. So first one is wheat. Wheat, when they will sow? October or November. Yes. So October or November, and when they will harvest? March or April. March or April. Here mark April. Okay, one is done for you. By seeing this, you have to write this calendar. So you know we have discussed here. Yes, we have discussed here. You have to write by that. Okay, see children, next one is paddy or rice, and next one is maize, and next one is sugar cane, and next one is mustard. So see the next question. Which crops are sown in the rainy season and harvested in the winter season? Which crops are sown in the rainy season and harvested in the winter season, children? Yes, we have discussed. No, you have to write. And which crops are sown in winter season and harvested in summer season? Yes, you know the answer. Which crops has the least cultivation time? Which crop has the least cultivation time? It means sugarcane. It is having the least cultivation time. So, which crop has the maximum cultivation time? Yes, maize. It will take so much time for the cultivation of the crop. And next one, which are the crops sown in the rainy season called? What are the crops that are sown in the rainy season? Yes, you have to write. What are the crops sown in the winter season called? What do you call that crops? What do you think will happen if we sow rice in winter season? What will happen if you sow rice in the winter season? Particularly we will sow the rice in the rainy season. But here they are asking what will happen if you sow the rice in the winter season. It will germinate. So you have to write the answer. Why do crops need to sown in proper time? Why have to they sown in the proper time? You have to write the answer. Okay, try to complete this volume, children. Okay, thank you.